guys, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 52. So, before we get into this video, no, I'm not joined by anyone. Don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and don't watch this if you're sensitive to strobe lights. So, we will probably have this for the next system test or two. The MH501, I'm pretty sure. We have my Simplex 4903 9219 horn strobe, and it had to be put on this thing so it actually go on this back box properly. System sensor P2, or no, not P2. Yeah, I3. We'll just call it an I3. That works. And we have my SRL. I'm pointing up here, but you couldn't see it in the frame. SRL. So, let's activate the fire alarm system. Let's activate it with the smoke detector. There we go. Alright, so now we'll pull the pull station. Alright, now we gotta reset the pull station. Alright, so, I guess you could say that is everything for this, fast system test. Thank you guys so much for watching and hopefully enjoying this video. I'm gonna be one of these YouTubers now. If you made it to the end of the video, comment hand sanitizer, comment hand sanitizer. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.